Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and make an Airbnb guidebook. So, all you need to do first is make sure you are on the hosting section. Just come here, click on switch to hosting. And if you are on this URL, perfect. What we'll do now is come hover over menu, click on this. And then I want you to go ahead and click on guidebooks. Here we can create a guidebook. So if you have one already, you can go ahead and edit that. Or you can click on this plus icon right here. So we'll first choose a listing. Let's do this one right here, our house in Denver. Click on save. Okay, now we are able to have our guidebook. Okay, so you can go ahead and add to our guidebook. So I come click on this right here, and you can add things like places where travelers should go, what are the areas like, the neighborhood, city advice, what travelers should know when they are in that location. Okay, first you can add places, then you just write the address of the place in Denver, right? Maybe a specific hotel they should visit, where to eat, right? In this case, I'll do the specific address for my location. So I'll do this one, and we'll do why do we recommend this place. You can add some photos, right? You can go ahead and categorize this place as well. Either it is for food scene, sightseeing, right? So we can also create a category right here. So let's say it is a good place for sightseeing in this area. Then I come and choose this, can click on save. You can enter any, location. So where we added those, you can add some photos to that. Let me go ahead and bring some photos in. There we go. I can come here and click on this, and then we can go ahead and add photos. So you can drag and drop. We can add photos as well. So click on add photos right here. And then let me scroll down. There we go. This is the photo I wanted. You can write a short caption, maybe park, right? You can go ahead and do that, something like that. And click on done. Right here. Why would you recommend this place? You can say it is a nice, serene place to relax, right? Something like that. Along those lines, place to relax. You can, of course, add more detail. I'm just showing you the process of doing these things. There you go. Looks much better. You can add this to the guidebook, and then you can add things like the neighborhood, city advice, things people should know, right? What are the customs and culture? Maybe you have to bow down to people when you greet them, things like that. And some ways to save, useful phrases. You can teach them a lot about the local language, right? For example, how to say hello. You can say maybe in the local language, you give saying hello. Okay, let me go ahead and do that. There we go. I've edited it as such, and then I can go ahead and just save this, right? And that's also part of my guidebook. So we have sightseeing, we have traveler advice, right? And keep adding to this as you see fit. And then at the end, if you want, you can even go ahead and preview and print these, or you can go ahead and download this as well. You can also, share these, or you can copy the link, share it with people, especially people who book your, okay, here we go. Of course, book on your place. And here we see the exact addresses, things like that. This is our guidebook. You can, of course, go ahead and keep adding to it. It's really that easy and simple.